In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's custom rule builder. Asana is a fantastic tool for managing projects, and its automation capabilities can really boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. The custom rule builder is a powerful feature that allows you to tailor your workflows to meet your team's specific needs. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up. First, you'll want to open the project where you want to set up your automation rules. Navigate to the top right corner of your Asana interface and click on the Customize button. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to tweak and personalize your project view. Customizing your project is super useful because it allows you to set the groundwork for the automation rules you'll be creating. From the Customize menu, scroll down until you spot the Rules section. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the plus Add Rule button. This step is crucial as it leads you into the realm of Asana's automation features, which can be a game changer in how you manage tasks on a daily basis. Next, instead of choosing from existing templates, select Create Custom Rule. This option empowers you to design your own automation from scratch. This is great because it gives you full control over what specific actions you want to automate rather than relying on predefined templates. This flexibility ensures that the rule you create will be perfectly tailored to fit your unique workflow requirements. Now, it's time to pick a trigger. Triggers are essentially the events in Asana that will set your automation into motion. For example, you might want your rule to trigger when a task is moved to a new section, when a due date is approaching, or when a particular custom field is updated. Choosing the right trigger is important because it ensures that your rule activates at just the right moment. Once you've set your trigger, the following step is to add an action. Actions are the tasks that Asana will carry out automatically once the trigger event happens. There's quite a range here. You could have Asana assign the task to someone, add a comment, change the task status, or even move the task to another project. Selecting the appropriate action is key to ensuring the automation achieves what you intend. After configuring your triggers and actions, the final step is to save and test your rule. Be sure to give your rule a memorable name and click on Publish Rule. It's always a good idea to test the rule by simulating the trigger event, such as changing a task to see if your automation kicks in as expected. This way, you can confirm everything is set up correctly and functioning as it should. And there you have it, a complete guide to building custom rules in Asana. By leveraging this tool, you can enhance your project management efficiency and focus on what truly matters. Happy automating with Asana.